Howdy friends, welcome back to Plumbing with Tim. Today's video, we have a couple brand new toilets, or new design made by American Standard. I've never seen them, and I think for the most part, most of you haven't either. Let's take a look at what we've got. Introducing the American Standard Heritage Vormax. We got two of these toilets that we've got installed at a customer's house. We've already tore the old toilets out. I've put together one of the new toilets. I'll show you a quick walk around. They look like a normal toilet, just like anything else, but they're a little bit different. Right now, I'm about ready to show you how to put it together, and then we'll install it. These things are heavy. Bang. What the heck? This toilet tank actually has 1, 2, and 3 bolts holding this thing together. Okay, no tankable gaskets or anything. Let's go ahead and put the nuts on there to get this put together. As with a lot of American Standard toilets, they come with this little tool that fits the little nuts that hold that tank together. See, like that. Let's go ahead and put these on the tank, the bowl, and get this thing set in place so we can install it, and then we'll talk about the toilet more. All right, we got our second toilet put together. Pretty easy. They give you that little tool, kind of almost like to promote homeowners be able to put these toilets together themselves. Let's go ahead and grab this thing. Luckily, the second toilet is upstairs. It's right here on the first floor. Get it set into place, and we'll go from there. Before we set this toilet in place and stuff like that, I've seen another toilet that has got the same concept as this American Standard. It's made by Gerber. It's the Avalanche, and it has a purpose for it. I haven't seen a setup quite like this. I think it's designed for the same purpose as that Gerber Avalanche that I told you about. Let's go inside. We're going to work on the one upstairs. We're going to install it, set it, all that stuff, and I'll show you how it works. This toilet, the American Standard, usually they have all the parts and stuff. It kind of makes it user-friendly for like a homeowner putting the stuff in and everything. Got the raised china taps on there, nuts already, and these are stabilizers for your closet bolts. Let's go ahead and get those installed. Take that closet bolt with that little stabilizer nut, whatever you want to call it. I'm not really sure which way it's supposed to go, so we're going to kind of start it like that, put it in our slot, bring it in, just kind of back that little thing down so it's flat against the flange, like so. Leave me a comment down below if any of y'all seen this setup on toilets and stuff, because I haven't seen this exact design. I've been doing this a whole long time. I've seen the concept, but American Standard, just like a lot of toilets, they'll copy other brands, and they'll, for patent reasons and stuff. So let me get these tightened down, get a wax ring on there, and let's set the toilet. Look, little wing nuts. See that? Yeah, we don't have to put no washers, nothing. Welcome to the future, everyone. No wrenches needed on this. Just hand tighten. Get that thing nice and snug. It's not going to break. It's plastic. That's why you don't want any kind of wrenches on here. Just get it bolted down as good as you can. There we go. I'll make sure this thing is nice and sturdy on the floor. If not, we'll have to throw some shims in there. All right, let's sit on this toilet and rock it. See if it's going to move at all. That thing feels solid. Let's not forget about the high china caps. Just mount down there like that. How do you like that? Bang. Let's not forget about tightening this new seat down. Of course, it's one of those nice slow close. We are not getting up 3 o'clock in the morning and slam the seat down and ruin your marriage. Let's not forget about the supply line. You're really careful because this house was piped in CPVC. You just look at this stuff and it'll snap. Of course, I've shut the water off the house just in case. Tricky business. We won't break nothing here. We won't break no pipes. Careful not to cross thread that connection up there. Some patience here, okay? We're plumbers, we're professionals. We're here to fix things, not to cause problems. There we go. Nice and easy. Got a rubber washer up inside of that where you see me screwing. Pretty much hand tight, snug. Wins the day. All right, moment of truth. Water's coming on. We'll see how this thing flushes. Let's throw a quick shim in here, right about there. All right, let's give this thing a flush, see how it works. Whoa, did you see that? Let's take a look under the hood. It's got 2 flappers. See that? Yeah. This one right here puts water down the bowl. This one actually cleans the bowl, thus called the vortex. I'm going to show you the outside. Here's your trap, just like any toilet, and here's that built-in chute. Can you see it? The way that's designed. Look inside, I'll show you. Not only does it flush and have a flush hole to get the business down there, but it also washes the bowl. I bet you this man's wife is going to be happy, happy, happy. Let's try it one more time. That's going to do this one. Thanks so much for hanging out and watching the installation of the all-new American Standard Heritage Vortex toilet. Pretty fancy stuff there, huh? Not really my choice of toilets that I'd have inside of this house and stuff, but as for older folks, and sometimes, you know, when they go to the bathroom, it's a little bit more messy or whatever you got to say. Let me know in the comments if you guys have installed this exact particular toilet with that technology and all that other stuff. Where are you thinking of your parts for? Because this is the first time I've actually installed one of these toilets. All in all, I'm sure they cost quite a bit of money, and I got them from a plumbing supply. Got any comments, questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to keep plumbing.